To update your Trust Wallet installation, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you have an Android device, you can find the app in the Google Play Store. And if you have an iOS device, you can find it in the App Store. Once you have opened the app, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select the About section, where you will find information about the current version of your Trust Wallet installation. Next, check if there are any available updates by looking for a button that says Update or a message indicating that a new version is available. If an update is available, tap the Update button to begin the update process. You will then be redirected to the App Store where you can download and install the latest version of Trust Wallet. If you do not see an update button or message, it is likely that your Trust Wallet installation is already up to date. However, you can also check for updates manually by going to the App Store, searching for Trust Wallet, and selecting the update option if it is available. It is essential to keep your Trust Wallet installation up to date to ensure that you have the latest security patches and features. Updating your Trust Wallet installation regularly can help protect your cryptocurrency assets and provide you with a better user experience. After updating your Trust Wallet installation, restart the app to ensure that the updates are properly applied. You can then verify that the update was successful by checking the version number in the About section of the Settings menu. By following these steps, you can easily update your Trust Wallet installation and ensure that you have the latest version of the app. Remember to always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency assets by keeping your Trust Wallet installation up to date and using best practices to protect your accounts.